How to use open tray transfers for ROOTT implants. Please read applicable instructions before use. Remove healing abutment from the implant. Use abutment extractor for easier removing. Open box. Open blister. Sterilize products before use. Place screwdriver to transverse hex. Manually insert to the implant. Inject impression material around the transfer. Fill the impression tray with impression material. Seat the impression tray into the mouth. Screw extends behind impression tray. After impression, dry unscrew screw. And remove impression. Leave transfer in dental impression. Screw healing abutment back. With 15 Newton centimeters torque.